Welcome back to A Jobs Tech. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix script error on your computer. If you watch till the end, I will also be showing how you can permanently fix the script error and make sure it does not happen again. We don't waste time here, so let's dive right in. But before we do, please support me by clicking the subscribe button and the like button. It means a lot to me. Thanks. To solve the script error, follow these steps. 1. Search Disk Cleanup and click on it. Then, select your system drive C. It should be automatically selected. Now, check these boxes: thumbnails, temporary files, delivery optimization files, and recycle bin. Recycle bin is optional though. Please make sure only these boxes are checked to avoid stories that touch. After checking all these mentioned boxes, hit the OK button. It will bring out this box asking you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Hit the Delete Files button. After step 1 and 2, there is something you must do to make the fix work, so watch till the end. Before I show you the next step, please take few seconds to click on the subscribe and like button. This will help recommend this video to others who need it and will encourage me a lot. Step 2. Press Windows button plus R on your keyboard. It will bring out a box like this. Type %temp%. Delete everything inside. You can do that by simply pressing Control button, Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, and then hit the Delete button. Then again, press the Windows button plus R on your keyboard. This time type temp. Delete everything inside. Say, Windows will skip files in use. That's normal. If you have stayed till now, then it's worth it that I show you how you can permanently fix the script error as promised. Click on the search text box. Type Settings. Click on Storage. Click on Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. Turn it on to auto-clean temporary files regularly. Check the box. Delete temporary files that my apps aren't using. You can set the deletion interval to 1 to 2 weeks because you should delete temporary files often on your computer. You can set the recycle bin and download folder to never. Tips: if your computer is slow, do it more often. Now, after applying these steps, restart your computer. To do so, click the Windows icon, click the power icon, click on Restart. This should fix the script error on your computer. Remember to please hit the subscribe and like button. Also, drop a comment on the video. That will encourage me a lot and help me do better. Do you have some issues you will like me to work on for you? Please drop them in the comment section below.